Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting video related on ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT are introducing official application for Mac, Windows, and Linux operating system as well as smartphone devices. So, how to download, how to use, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So, simply first of all, I will tell you this is a website portal they are introducing here. Look at this openai.com ChatGPT/download. This is an official URL or not any pirated URL. This is official URL. Look at this here, download ChatGPT, get ChatGPT on mobile and desktop. So mobile look like this, desktop look like this. App Store means Android and iOS device application is available. Click and download. Application is download. Click here twice and simply drag and drop. The application is showing here. Wait couple of seconds. Yeah, the application is showing here. Click here, open, continue with your Gmail. Of course, we need to log in here using your authenticate username password as you provided. And look at this. This is my application. I just simply close and boom, this is the application. How to make YouTube video, enter. So now no need always visit on the URL, open ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is available here. You can by default set in your dock station on Mac, and that one is really interesting. So look at this here, remaining features like a search bar, you can hide this one. They are introducing very typical application, so it's really nice. You can use as a shortcut also. Auto correction spelling on, you can delete subscription going on here. You can decide other space also. Okay, if you open here the ChatGPT, so continuously press 2 and look at this. If I click close here and now I want ChatGPT open here, so I create here option and space and ChatGPT is coming here. How to make, enter. So now the ChatGPT is coming here. That is really interesting.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.